performed at major dance festivals widely and has been honored at the Rashtrapati Bhavan by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam for her efforts to teach lesser privileged children. Padmaja has represented the ICCR besides extensive concert tours at over 32 nations. Padmaja is a dance columnist and an author too. She has participated at prestigious conferences like the Dr. Padmaja is also an assistant professor at several universities, and she's also been awarded the Karnataka Kala Shastri, the Shri Shakti, the Karmaveer Chakra, the Rex Global Fellow, and several others. I'll now like to move on to the performers for today, beginning with
Can we request the videos to be put off in among the attendees because the bandwidth is not able to, support all the videos. That's why. Thank you. Shraddha, you can move on to the first performance after my introduction is over now, right?
by Kumbakonam Anantanarayan Bhagavatar of the Namasankirtanam in Prachina Bhajana Sampradayam, grandson of Bhagavata Padamansu, late Shri T.V. Narayan Shastri, founder of the Panduranga Bhajan Utsavam at various festivals, at various places. A recognized artist of the American Guild of Music Artists, he is performed across India, USA, and UAE. She Today, he will be accompanied by Sri Rama Subramaniam, sir.
Rama 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 Janaki Kanda Smarane Jai Jai Rama Rama Gopika Jeevana Smarane Govinda Govinda Bola Kundali Kavarate Hari Vittale Siddhi Vinayaka Murti Ki Jai Vadi Devasena Kanda Smarana Jai Jai Subramanya Madhikara Shakti Devi Ki Jai Hara Hara Nama Parvati Pate Hara Hara Mahadeva Bola Kundali Kavarate Hari Vittale महालक्ष्मी देवी की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय वीर धीर पराक्रम आंजनेय स्वामी की जय मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव गुरुदेवो भव ने ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ late Srimati Devika Rajendra. She has given a great artist to all of us, Mrs. Srimati Padmaja Venkatesh. It's a great service to the art and tradition. So we are dedicating the Namasankirtanam to her today. Starting with Vigneshwara Nama. Vigna means hindrance, and Vigneshwara removes all the hindrance. So Vigneshwara will henceforth give all success and prosperity to the host and everyone in this meeting. Siddhi Vinayaka Murti ki jai. Vakunda nalla manamunda Vakunda nalla manamunda Maamaladar mokunda Medinudanga Kondu dupatirveni Tumbikayan padam Tappamal Sharvartamakku Tumbikayan padam Tappamal Sharvartamakku Prabhu Ganapate பதி புதன வாழ்வதுவாய் நமோ கணபதே 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 சங்கு வணங்கி தூக்கி கொடியாடி புத்தம் சன்னதி சரணடைந்தோ சந்ததீச கௌமாரத்தையும் சந்த புத்த குரு பிரபு கணபதே ஆதிமூல ஜனநாத கஜானன அத்புத கவல ஸ்வரூப அத்திய அத்புத கவல ஸ்வரூப தேவ தேவ ஜய ஜய விநாயக சிமய பர சிவ சிவா சிமய பர சிவ கணபதே பரி பூரண गणपते पार्वती बाय अपाय माधव परम भगव भक्त जन तुमुख गणपति नायक पवन परिमल चरणा पवन सिद्धिविनायक मूर्ति की जय। भागवता संस्कृतो भागवतः प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ मध्ये पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। When Srimati Padmaja Suresh is dedicating this event to her mother, and we are also praying the eternal mother Srimati Parvati Devi. Kalidasa says जगतः पितरौ मध्ये पार्वती परमेश्वरौ. So let Srimati Devakarajan join the lotus feet of Parvati Devi. Hence we pray to the Parvati Devi on the behalf.
Bhagavathar, your mic, you should keep it a little higher, I think, because your voice is breaking. Yeah.
We are now offering our pranams to Parvati Devi and on behalf of Srimati Devakarajan, who is now joined the lotus feet of the goddess Mataji. अम्बे गौरी मैया जगन मंगल मूर्ति मैया अम्बे गौरी मैया तुम कौन बिने जावत हरि ब्रह्म शिवरी माता सिंदूर विराजित इको प्रगमद को अम्बे गौरी मैया जगन मंगल मूर्ति मैया गौरी मानन कुंडल शोभित नागाते मोती चंद्र दिवाकर आजत समझोती गौरी मैया जगन मंगल मूर्ति मैया गौरी आदिपराशक्ति देवी की जय। गुरु कृपा अंचन पाजो मेरे बाई राम बिना कच्चो देखत नागी। Kabir Dasa says, you keep the Guru Kripa in your eyes. Guru Kripa anchana pajo mere bai, like your eye text on the very important thing on your eyes. Then your vision will be under Rama, Agire Rama Jaha. Dekhe wahan purana hi Rama. Inside your heart you will see Rama. Outside world you are going to see Rama. Swapna mein dekhat even in your dream you are going to have the vision of Rama when you have the real Guru Kripa, real Guru Bhakti, Guru Mata, Guru Pita, Guru Amuji, Guru Devata. Eknath, a great Maharashtra says that in Tamil we have a beautiful song. Brahmanandam Paramasukhatam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Tadvatītam Gaganasadrusam Tattvamasyaati Laksham Ekam Nityam Vimalam Achalam Sarvati Sakshi Bhutam Bhavatītam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. விழி கிடைக்குமா அபயகரம் கிடைக்குமா குருநாதன் சரணத்தில் கிடைக்குமா குருநாதன் சரணத்தில் கிடைக்குமா அதை நீதி அலையாத உயர்வந்து சேர்ப்போம் கடும் குரலை கிடைக்குமா அஞ்சாதே கடும் குரலை கிடைக்குமா रामचंद्र भगवान की जय. Let us in this Ramasamudra say Vitala, because Kaliga, Vitala Nama is the easiest. Vitala, 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 Namadev Kirtan Nagari Prem Varana Paturta Janabai Manedeva Odulu Janabai Manedeva Odulu Namadeva Namadeva Kirtan Nagari Prem Varana Paturta Avandu Bol Kanti Tani Vanda Otavana Avandu Bol Kanti Tani Vanda Otavana Rematia, the Devana, Wala Budali Gavade Hari Vidhane. Hare Krishna.
Radhe Krishna. Over to Shraddha. Thank you.
Thank you for this soulful performance. We're truly humbled and honored to hear you today. Moving on, we have our next little video presentation by Gautam Balamurli in the memory of Srimati Devika Rajendran. It's a video containing photographs to remember her majestic personality. So here's presenting the video.
தேவி நீ துணை தேவி நீ துணை தென் மதுரை வாழ் மீனலோச்சனி 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 தேவி தேவாதி தேவன் தேவாதி தேவன் சுந்தரேஷன் சித்தம் கவர் புவன சுந்தரி புவன சுந்தரி
So it's truly a lovely video by a very young Gautam, and it took us all down a memory lane. Thank you, Gautam. Next, we have a special
Shraddha,
dance.
could you please spotlight Gautam so the people will know who it is who made this once? Yeah, he's on his mother's laptop.
Yes, I hope you can all see Gautam. Next, we have a dance performance by Miss Meena Janarathan and Anjali Verghese. Meena has been dancing from a dainty age. She started learning Bharatnatyam from the renowned veterans like Master Rajendran in Chennai, disciple of Master Janardhan, Srimati Akhila Iyer, and Srimati Brinda Ramanan. She has been practicing Bharatnatyam for over 3 decades. Along with Bharatnatyam, she is also introduced to other classical dance forms like Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam, Kathak, and also various folk dances. She is the founder and the artistic director of the Natya Prabha Dance Academy, an organization which promotes Indian dance forms in the USA. Meena is a well-reckoned dancer, teacher, choreographer who has a wide range of experience. She also designs costumes for dance and believes that there are no barriers to learning and sharing the passion for dance. Along with her, we have Miss Anjali Verghese. Anjali Verghese has been training under her mother, Srimati Ruth Parijata Verghese, for the past 21 years. Together, they run the branch of the Kalapadma Bharatnatyam Dance Academy in Chicago. Anjali also trains in hip hop and contemporary dance. In 2009, she performed at the prestigious Bharat Bhavan for the Golden Jubilee celebration, and in 2011 for the prestigious Tagore Auditorium, both at Bhopal, organized by the government of Madhya Pradesh. Anjali is belonging to a family of veteran artists, her grandfather being the Guru Sri Shankara Hombal. She's performed for the Ghat Sandhya festival in Varanasi, and also Anjali holds a degree in neurosciences. I welcome the both of them, and both of you can take over.
Kindly spotlight the artists, I think Satvik Venkateshwar.
ಶ್ರೀಲಲಿತಾಂಬಿಕೆ ಶರಣಂ ಶರಣಂ ಮುಹುಬದಿ ಗೂಢಂ ಅರುಣಿಲಿ யமராடும் துதிப்போ அவனில் அன்பு ஒற்றுமை அறிவாகவும் தமிழ் ஆனந்தம் ஐஸ்வர்யம் கருணா சாந்த ஸ்வரூபிணி சரணமமா शांत स्वरूपिणी मीनाक्षी शांत स्वरूपिणी शरणम शांत स्वरूपिणी मीनाक्षी
Thank you, Meena. Thank you, Anjali, for logging in from USA and doing justice to the dance number, which you all learned as a part of the workshop conducted by Atmalaya Academy on the Navarasa Varnam of Sri Lalgudi Jayaraman. And I had requested you all to present this, especially for this occasion, as it showcases the various moods of Ambar, of Devi, and was finally culminating in the Shanta Swarupini. Thank you very much. Over to Shraddha again.
Thank you to the both of you. That was truly a splendid performance, and all of us truly enjoyed to witness you dance. We now move on to the annual memorial awards. And just a second, I'll screen share. Our first award is in the memory of Shri Kadambadi Jagannath Shetty and Srimati Shanta Shetty. Justice Kadambadi Jagannath Shetty, a retired judge of the High Court of Karnataka, is remembered for his philanthropy and large-heartedness. Post-retirement, he headed 2 commissions of inquiry ordered by the government of Karnataka. His interest in music, literature, and arts was phenomenal. He has a special love for Yakshagana. Srimati Shanta Shetty, retired professor of economics, served as a lecturer for most part of her career in the Maharani College of Women, Bangalore. A generous person, she reached out to several people and made a deep impact in their lives. Their children, Dr. Ramanand and Srimati Rekha, wished to make this contribution in the memory of their parents and continue the legacy of compassion and culture. Today's recipient of the award is Pukala Lakshmi Narayan Bhatt, Yakshagana artist. Pukala Lakshmi Narayan Bhatt has over 35 years of experience in the Yakshagana, where he has played several roles. Some famous roles played by him are the Nala Damayanti's king, Nala, Harish Chandra, Vishwamitra, Ishwara, Karna, Rama, Lakshmana, and others. He has a wide range of experience in well-known skills of other well-known teams, as well as he's won several awards like the Sheni Prashasti, the Patala Prashasti, and others. He received the Samman from the Edenir Matta Swamiji and other organizations. I would now like to show a small snippet from one of his performances, and I'm sure all of you will enjoy.
Shraddha, this is Yakshagana. Yakshagana. Okay, not
Yes, Yakshagana.
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ತಾವು ಅನ್ಯತಾ ಭಾವಿಸಬಾರದು. ಗುರುದಕ್ಷಿಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಎನ್ನುವ ಹಂಬಲ ನಮಗುಂಟು. ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಗುರುದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾರದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಸರವಾದೀತು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಡುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ನಿನ್ನೊಡನೆ ಬೇಡಲಿ
ಗುರುದಕ್ಷಿಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕೇ?
ಹೌದು,
ಕೇಳಬಹುದೇ? ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ನಿನಗೇನನ್ನು ಉಪದೇಶಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೋ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅಧಿಕವಾಗಿ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ನಾನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ನಾನು ಕಲಿತುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮಾನವನ ಬದುಕು ಯಾಕಾಗಿ ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಸತ್ಯದ ದರ್ಶನವಾದದ್ದು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ. ಆದ ಕಾರಣವೇ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಜೀವಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗಿರುವಾಗ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ಗುರುದಕ್ಷಿಣೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ?
We from Atmalya Academy join our hands and welcome Sri Narayana Bhatta to accept our token of appreciation, which consists of a cash award of rupees 30,000, citation and felicitation.
His character in the video was that of Guru Sandipani as the Guru of Sri Krishna. I'm very thankful, as I said earlier, to Sri Bhaskararya, another well-known artist who has always helped us to identify deserving awardees for the Justice Shetty Awards since the past 6 years. Thank you so much, Bhaskar sir. And we are really honored and we hope to meet you in person very soon. Would you like to share a few words to us? Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನಾಡುವಂತಹ ಮಾತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗುತ್ತದೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಭಾಷೆ ಇದೇ ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಕಲಾವಿದನನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ನೀವು ದಯಪಾಲಿಸಿದಂತಹ 30,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತಾಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ಇಡೀ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕಲಾವಿದನಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಷ್ಟು ದೂರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಕಷ್ಟವನ್ನೂ ಕೊಡದೆ ನಾನು ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಕೃತಜ್ಞನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳುವುದಿದ್ರೆ, ನನಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ದಯಪಾಲಿಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶಾಂತಾ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ದಯಪಾಲಿಸಿದ ಆತ್ಮಾಲಯ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಇದರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪದ್ಮಜಾ ಸುರೇಶ್, ಖ್ಯಾತ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಕಲಾವಿದೆ, ಇವರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ನಿರೂಪಕರಾಗಿದ್ದಂತಹ ನಿರೂಪಕಿಯರಾಗಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ಅವರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮವನ್ನು ನಾನು ವಂಚಿಸಿದ ಹಾಗಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಪೋಷಿಸಿದವರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮೈಕ್ಯ ಎಳನೀರು ಮಠಾಧೀಶರಾಗಿದ್ದ ಶ್ರೀ 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 ಕೇಶವಾನಂದ ಭಾರತಿ ಶ್ರೀಪಾದಗಳವರು. ಅವರ ದಿವ್ಯ ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಡಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದವರು, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದವರು ಈಗಿನ ಮಠಾಧೀಶರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀ 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 ಸತ್ಯಜಾನಂದ ಭಾರತಿ ಶ್ರೀಪಾದಗಳವರು. ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಡಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು.
Yes, Shraddha, we can move on to the next category.
Thank you so much. Now we move on to our second award, which is in the memory of the founder of Atmalya Academy, a celebrated artist, Chakyar Kutharajan. A little description of him. A great legendary artist, he has had over 2,000 shows of Kutha, Bhagavatam lectures and Saptahams. A non-Chakyar by birth, belonging to a Palagad Iyer clan, he took up this as his most devoted pursuit, almost taking up equal time or more from his active years as a management consultant and cost accountant. Born in Trichur, he shifted base to Mumbai and involved himself in the Malayalam and Tamil theatre. While adhering to the fundamentals strictly, he made innovations in Kutha. For instance, while others used Malayalam language, he employed the Sanskritized Malayalam. Sri Chakyar Rajan acted in a dozen of television serials and few feature films in Malayalam. He received the Kalai Sevam Award in Chennai, the Kerala Sangeeta Nataka Award in 1994. The Shankaracharyas have honored him with titles like the Kerala Kala Pracharamani and the Satkata Pracharachanamani. In his honor, the Mumbai Municipal Corporation has named a road in Chembur called the Chakyar Rajan Marg. The Chakyar Rajan Memorial Award is being bestowed upon Srimati Sarojini Nayangai Rama. Before that, we'd like to show you a small snippet from the internet archives of one of Chakyar Rajan's performances in English. I'm sure all of you will enjoy watching his performance.
Just a moment, Shraddha. The titles are the Kerala Kala Pracharamani and Satkatha Pravachanamani, and the award is being bestowed upon Nangiyarama Sarojini. Thank you so much. Yes.
He can say, I know the Prime Minister. I know him for 25 years. I've seen him a number of times. But what about he? He doesn't know me. But the Prime Minister says, there was one character who was running about with facial makeup here and there like a mendicant. Can you spot him? Then one should be proud. You see, these are the clues you get in great epics. Every word has a depth of meaning, provided we have the blessings of the Guru to understand it. And Virakta Indriyartheshu, he was completely free from any attachment. In fact, Bhagavata talks of 5 great Brahmins in various episodes, containing 12 skandhas and almost 14,130 slokas. One, Kuchela, this Brahmin who was the classmate. Number 2, the young Brahmin who was sent as a secret messenger with a love message by Rukmani to Krishna. Even in those days it had happened because there was no cell telephone or STD. This Brahmin had a job to do. And people say it was a Prema Patra which she had sent Rukmani. Possibly she started. Must be the lyrics originally coined by Rukmani, which we copied today. Second Brahmin. The third one, Santana Gopala Charita. Another Brahmin who had a lot of, he started abusing the Lord because every son born to him died immediately. Ultimately, it was to prove that faith is something which Lord will not interfere with unless absolutely essential. The fourth is Srutakirti, a poor Brahmin whose house Krishna visited in Mithila. He went there. And the fifth one, the most famous, Ajamila, who was a sinner up to the age of 88, at the last moment, he had the misfortune to see the messengers of the Lord of Death. And he had the good fortune to see the messengers of Lord Vishnu together. And he was saved. He was done up to this moment, or what? I am free to commit more tomorrow. But if you say that last moment, I will say Narayana. How do you know which is the last moment? Only character who knew the last moment was Parikshit. Because he knew by the sharp that he will have to go on the seventh day. But what about us? We are so worried about your possessions, wealth, business. The old man is lying in deathbed. All the children are around him. Papa, please don't cry. We are all there. I'm not crying because I will look after the office. So we are in some sense, at least two of you should have remained there. They see the attachment that we have. Papa, in the last moment, would you like to have anything? Yes. Can you get it now? Yes. What is the time? 11 p.m. Oh. Is there any Udupi hotels open? Can you get me one masala dosa? The last moment he thinks of masala dosa, and next birth he becomes a cook. Guaranteed. Because according to Veda, whatever, even if there is mispronunciation, unknowingly it is okay, because the Lord knows your language. A little
We surely could have gone on for hours and hours with Chakya Rajan's sense of humor. So here we have our awardee, Srimati Sarojini Nangiarama. Please do the honors in introducing her, Shraddha.
Yes, Srimati Sarojini Nangairama, born in 1939 to the Edanattu Amakkutti Nangairama and Vilavattu Ravuni
Shraddha,
Nambiar.
can I take over, please? Thank you. In this matter, because of the words that are getting mispronounced. With all due respect, Sarojini Nangiarama, born in 1939 to Edanattu Amakkutti Nangiarama and Viluvatta Ravuni Nambiar. Apologies if there is any mispronunciation. Had been initiated into Nangiyar Kuthu by her parents and trained under the Gurukula system. She had debuted at the Bhagavati temple Edanattu and has been instrumental in keeping the Kudiyattam institution alive, taking it as her life mission. For the past almost 60 years, she has been performing widely at all temples of Kerala and still continues with this service. Her existing titles so far are Kerala Musiris Biennial Award in 2014, National Sangeet Natak Academy Award 2015, Golden Emblem from Triponathara Purnatrayasha Temple, and also this evening I was told that she received the Kerala Kalamandalam Award. Nangiarama, it is our fortune that we could identify you thanks to senior scholar academician Dr. C.M. Neelakandan, also erstwhile who had been with the Kalamandalam. Thank you so much for accepting this Chakya Rajan Memorial Award. We have Dr. A.V. Anup and Brother Justice Sriram. Every year they have been supporting this award on behalf of Atmalaya. Nangiarama, please pin the video. Nangiarama, thank you. she will be giving, a demonstration.
ते विस्तारि सौधाग्रे चुम्बितं बोध तारका महितोदार कृष्णेन्द्रमधुरा मधुरापुरी.
We're truly blessed to have her in the midst of all of us, and we welcome her and request her to accept our token of appreciation, which consists of rupees 30,000, a citation, and felicitation.
We are thankful to her son, Sri Vijayan, for helping us with all these. I know you're undergoing a lot of technical issues from your location where you are in Kerala, plus the rain is also affecting it. And we are honored that you have, given due notice to our request and accepted this. Thank you, Nanya Rama. Yeah, you can
thank you. വളരെ സന്തോഷം.
എല്ലാവർക്കും സംസാരിക്കാനും പറയണം അമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത്. നിങ്ങളും സംസാരിച്ചോളൂ. താങ്ക് യു.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു അവാർഡ് ലഭിച്ച ഈശ്വരന്മാർക്കും ഗുരുക്കന്മാർക്കും നന്ദി പറയുന്നു. ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു അവാർഡ് തന്നതിലൂടെ
ഈ കലയെ അംഗീകരിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്.
അതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ അവാർഡ് തന്ന ഇതിന്റെ സംഘാടകർക്ക് എന്റെ
സ്നേഹവും നന്ദിയും വളരെ കേമായിട്ട് അറിയിക്കുന്നു. എല്ലാം പ്രത്യേകം. കാരണം ഇവിടെ വെളിച്ചത്തിന്റെ കുറവുണ്ട്. അത് മാത്രമല്ല, പറയാനുള്ള കുറച്ച് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുകളുണ്ട്. ചെറിയൊരു ഇതിലാണ് ഈ കയറിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞങ്ങളുടെ കുറവുകളെല്ലാം എല്ലാവരും പ്രത്യേകം ക്ഷമിക്കുക. വളരെ വളരെ സന്തോഷം. ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു അംഗീകാരം കിട്ടിയത് ഏറ്റവും വലിയ അമ്മയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഞാൻ പ്രത്യേകം പറയണു. എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി സ്നേഹം പ്രത്യേകം അറിയിക്കും.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Yes, Shraddha.
Thank you so much. We sincerely acknowledge the support given to Atmalya towards these memorial awards by Dr. A.V. Anup and Srimati Rekha Rai.
Can you kindly support Dr. A.V. Anup? Yeah, as we invite him to say a few words. Srimati Rekha Rai is undergoing a surgery today, and all our prayers are for her recovery. So we'll have only Dr. Anup who will be taking over now with a few words. Thank you. Can you kindly spotlight him?
I can't find him. What's the username?
Dr. A.V. Anup. Anup, sir?
You could switch on the video, then I can find.
In Chennai, people are having a lot of difficulty logging in because of the rains. I had several other messages also from people in Chennai, but Dr. Anup is trying through his phone also right now. Just a moment, please. Yes, Dr. Anup. Yeah, we've invited. Thank you. We can say a few words, please. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. So sorry, I had to leave the meeting due to an emergency. I'm in the airport now. Sitting in the car to receive a guest, and also heavily raining here. That's why I couldn't connect. Anyway, I'm happy that the function is arranged well, and my congratulations to both the winners. And I'm glad to associate with Alpmalaya Academy for the last many years to give this, especially this Chakya Rajan Memorial Award. And Chakya Rajan, father of Padmaja and Sriram, but to me, he was a friend, a mentor, and a business consultant, and also a co-artist. So it's my pleasure to associate with this award, and my congratulations to Sarojini Nangyarama for receiving this award. And I'm glad that Padmaja is taking initiative to continue the footsteps of Chakya Rajan. And also this day, I remember her mother's birthday, and we lost her during this period. She was also very closely associated with our family. And my best wishes to Padmaja and her family members. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anup, sir. Very grateful. Thank you. Yes,
Can I leave?
Yes, sir. Thank you. All the best.
Sriram is there?
Yes, Justice Sriram will now be speaking next, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, right. Hi, Sriram.
We would now like to hear the concluding remarks from Justice K.R. Sriram, a judge at the Bombay High Court, and the son of Chakyar Kutarajan and Srimati Devika Rajendra.
Please unmute yourself, Sriram.
Anyata sharanam nasti tvameva sharanam mama tasmat karunya bhavena raksha janardana. My sister, Dr. Padmaja, has been the force behind Atmalaya and has always taken the lead in not only this festival, but many other activities connected to the family as well. She is the only one who has
There is a bandwidth issue at your place. Maybe the number of laptops may be reduced so we can hear him better.
that my father had to keep a particular art alive. And that is how we conceived this memorial award in the name of my father. And the Justice Jagannath Shetty family also joined hands in recognizing and appreciating and acknowledging that there are many other persons very, very talented who the general public would not otherwise know, or at least those who are part of other society would not know. In Sri Chakyar Rajan expired in 2007, 6th April 2007. We had arranged for some programs, Chakyar Kuta programs in Bombay, but we could not hold on to it. And in 2016, Padmaja decided through Atmalaya to hold this festival where involving renowned artists to commemorate illustrious personalities who have served the nation. It started with our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, soon after he left his mortal remains, or dropped his mortal remains. Then it was Dr. Munshi's, then Sarojini Naidu, Sister Nivedita, etc. The award started with 25,000 each to be given to each of the artists who are being felicitated today. Last year, because of the pandemic, we couldn't hold the function, but Padmaja took the lead and she collected, and we all joined hands to help about 30 artists by giving each one of them 5,000 rupees. It was very touching when one of the artists had mentioned to Dr. Padmaja that if she gets 5,000 rupees, 1 month's ration would be arranged for. Because of the pandemic, all programs were getting cancelled and no artist was able to give any performance or earn a living. This year, fortunately, we could arrange this Zoom meet, and Padmaja, as usual, with all her sincere efforts, could identify the persons who should be awarded. If our Chakyar Kuta Memorial Award was given to Nangyar Kuta Srimati Sarojini Nangyarama. When I heard the Mirava, I was overwhelmed because of my Sri Chakyar Rajan, my father's Chakyar Kuta, I used to play the Mirav. Then Justice the Yakshagana Pukala Lakshmi Narayana Bhatt. What a show it was, even though it was for hardly 3 minutes. It was mesmerizing. I've heard about Yakshagana, which used to happen at Shanmukananda Hall in Bombay, but because of the language concerns, we never took the courage to go inside. But I certainly feel if there is any Yakshagana program happening in Bombay, I would certainly like to go and attend the function. It is something very divine. To conclude, as a family, we have been lucky. Our mother, Srimati Devika Rajan, who left us 2 months and 2 days ago on 25th September 2021, was a phenomenal person. And though Padmaja used to organize this festival, my mother was always there, or rather our mother was always there as a backbone, giving various suggestions which were really very useful because of the years of experience she has had in life. We miss her, and as she was living with me, I miss her all the more. Thank you very much for all the participants who took part in today's function. The music was very good in the beginning. Then the dance, the two girls danced very well. Anjali and I forget, sorry, I missed out the name. Danced very well.
Meena Janardhan.
Meena, sorry Meena, pardon me. You both danced very well. And it's been a very long time since we could also get to see a Bharatanatyam concert. Padmaja, I should compliment you for keeping this tradition alive. And please continue, and we will always stand behind you. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining us this evening. Namaskara.
Thank you, Shraddha. Yes.
Thank you, Justice Sriram. Lastly, I would like to call upon Srimati Kanchana Narayanan, daughter of Chakyar Kutarajan and Srimati Devika Rajendran, to deliver the vote of thanks. Before I sign off, I would like to thank Atmalya Academy to give me this opportunity to conduct the proceedings of this evening, which is in memory of Srimati Devika Rajendran. Especially as I sit in her room, it's truly more special to conduct this evening. And also, I apologize for the small pronunciation errors. I'll surely work on it. Thank you.
Thank you, Shraddha. I'm very happy to propose the vote of thanks today for the event that is specially dedicated to Srimati Devika Rajan. The contribution of those who worked hard to make this event successful cannot go unnoticed and requires a special mention and appreciation. The invocation given by Kumbakonam Ananta Narayana Bhagavatar from Chennai was indeed inspiring. Thank you, Meena Janardhanan and Anjali Varghese from the United States of America for a beautiful performance full of soul and life. We are also thankful that the awardees have accepted this token of appreciation. Srimati Shanta and Justice Jagannath Shetty Memorial Award for Yakshagana artist Sri Pukala Lakshmi Narayana Bhatt from Puttur and Sri Chakyar Kuttu Memorial Award for Nangyar Kuttu artist Srimati Sarojini Nangyarama from Alua. Atmalaya is also thankful to Mr. A.B. Anup, MD Awa Group, and Srimati Rekha Rai for their continued support and contribution. Thank you, Gautam Balamurali, for encapsulating the memories of our beloved Srimati Devika Rajan. Shraddha Jaydev for anchoring the show eloquently and articulately. A special mention to Justice K.R. Sriram for speaking a few words on this occasion. Today also happens to be his birthday, so we wish him good luck and good health. Dr. Padmaja Suresh for being the catalyst that stimulated everyone to bring out their best. Once again, on behalf of Atmalaya, with a deep sense of gratitude, I, Kanchana Narayanan, thank everyone from the participants to the viewers for being a part of this memorable event. Thank you once again and good night, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. The meeting is closed now. Thank you.